bulletin. Big breaking news which is coming in. This is very interesting. A possible whiff of a change in stance. Well, right after Uddhav Thackeray, just a few days after the Chief Minister of Maharashtra met Prime Minister Modi, there is a curious statement coming in from one of his closest aides. Leader of the Shiv Sena, Sanjay Raut. In fact, he has said, I don't want to say much, but going by the media reports, there's no official statement. And remember, the BJP and the Shiv Sena, rather the BJP has owned its success always to Narendra Modi in the last 7 years, and currently he is the top leader of the country as well as of his party. So what really can be read into this mysterious statement being given by the Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut, known to be a very close aide of Uddhav Thackeray, right after a few days of Uddhav Thackeray meeting the Prime Minister, when Sanjay Raut says that the Prime Minister is the top leader of the country even after 7 years, and he is still the top leader of his party as well. What really are the implications of that? Well, of course, political experts and pundits have been looking into it very closely, saying that it may just mean a thaw in terms of the erstwhile allies, the BJP and the Shiv Sena. So let me go across to Arunil, who's joining us from Mumbai with more details on this. Arunil, a lot is being said, a lot is being speculated based on Sanjay Raut's statement that Prime Minister is the top leader after bitter criticism coming in from the Shiv Sena, not just of the BJP, specifically the Prime Minister also in the past. So how much should we really look into and read into this?
The statement from Sanjay Raut, basically who can be called as the second in command in the Shiv Sena party after Uddhav Thackeray. Sanjay Raut basically heaping praise on PM Modi, saying that he is the tallest leader of the country, and whatever the BJP has achieved in the last 7 years, it is because of PM Modi only. So clearly, this comes only a day after the meeting between CM Uddhav Thackeray and PM Modi happened. That time as well, CM Uddhav Thackeray, speaking to Marathi media, had mentioned about it, saying that we may have gone different way, but that doesn't mean that we have broken our ties with individual ties with the person. That he was referring to PM Modi only. So now what do the Congress and the NCP feel about it when Sanjay Raut is heaping praise on PM Modi? That is also a big question that arises. Is there a switch on mind from the Shiv Sena side? That also we will be keeping a close eye on. But this was in reference to a media report which basically said that the RSS is keen on projecting state leaders from the state as the head of elections for respective state governments. Responding to that, Sanjay Raut clearly said that PM Modi is the supreme leader, he is the top leader of the country, and I don't want to speak about the media reports, but whatever the BJP has achieved till now, it is only because of PM Modi. So now what exactly the Congress and the NCP feel about it,
right,
who are basically allies of the Shiv Sena and the Maharashtra government, or what the other opposition parties also feel about it, that we'll be keeping a close eye on.